disappear, baby. No. So why would I follow you when you're the only thing unhallowed to me? And why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? It's getting a little bit out of control. The way you look so good without trying it out. And this addiction isn't good for my health, but I don't wanna spend another night by myself. 'Cause I know that I would be dumb to let you go. So why would I follow you when you're the only thing unhallowed to me? And why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowing me? Why would I go and hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? When I feel so empty without you. When I feel so empty without.
Hi guys, first time kong gagamitin itong bago kong bread maker. Gagawin ko lang yung basic bread since first time ko nga and kailangan muna natin magamay yung paggamit nitong bago kong bread maker. So ngayon, nilalagay ko na yung mga ingredients. So, dapat nandito sa labas yung pan pag nilagay niyo yung ingredients. I will make a 2-pound loaf bread. And using a bread maker, dapat unahin muna natin yung mga liquids. So let's start with the water. 3 tablespoons of melted butter. 2 tablespoons sugar. The recipe calls for 3.5 cups of flour. We'll also need instant yeast. Kapag gagawa tayo ng bread sa bread maker, make sure na hindi magkakaroon ng contact yung instant yeast sa liquids or sa salt. Gagawa tayo ng well dito sa middle ng flour. And doon natin ilalagay yung instant yeast. We'll need 1 1/4 teaspoon of instant yeast. I'll also put powdered milk. Wala to dun sa recipe nakasama nitong bread maker. Pero dun sa Oster kong bread maker, merong ganito. So, feeling ko mas masarap siya pag may powdered milk. So, mag-a-add na lang ako. Dito sa side ko siya ilalagay. Para wala din contact sa instant yeast. So, that's all the ingredients. Ilalagay na natin siya sa bread maker. We'll close it. Choose lang natin yung program na 1. So, lalagay lang natin dito sa basic. Kasi basic bread yung gagawin natin today. Pero it has 19 presets. Basic, quick, sweet. Then, meron din gluten-free, pizza dough. Pwedeng hindi mo siya i-bake. Mag-need lang siya to make a pizza dough. Tapos, pwede rin siyang gumawa ng yogurt and jam. So, ngayon, nandito na tayo sa 1. Nag-iiba-iba yung time niya. Tapos, yung weight, I'll choose 2 pounds kasi yung recipe is for 2 pounds. And then, this one, ito, timer function siya. So, kung gusto mo siyang i-delayed timer or delayed start, prepare mo na yung ingredients sa gabi. And then, pagising mo, meron ka ng fresh bread. We'll try that later on. Pero ngayon, hindi natin siya ita-timer. Then, color setting. Pwede siyang light, medium, and dark. So, I'll do medium. Then, ito, start. Yan, starting to mix na or to knead. Pwede naman natin i-open muna to since hindi pa naman siya nagbe-bake. Nakakaaliw lang siya panoorin. It's starting to rise na. Ayan o, tumataas na yung dough. Hindi ko na nga lang siya pwedeng tanggalin itong lid kasi nga magugulo yung patas niya. Let's wait na lang kasi nagra-rise na siya. Started baking na, 53 minutes left na lang. 2 minutes remaining na lang, guys. Wow! Oh. Wow. Came out really good. Wow. Wow. Look at that, guys. Naggawa tayo ng tinapay. Ayan na guys yung bread na binake natin using the bread maker. Pinagatan ko na yan. Harap siya guys. Ang ganda rin itong nabili kong wooden na bread knife. Sobrang sharp niya and ang ganda niya makaslice ng bread. Lagi na tayo ngayon may fresh bread. Next time, itatry ko naman gumawa ng pandesal. So, hopefully, magawa ko siya na maganda. Dito ko siya ini-knead sa bread maker, pero doon ko siya i-bake sa oven. So, yan na guys yung ating basic loaf na ginawa sa bread maker.